Hello Techies. In this session, we will learn how to create an account with Anthropic and access Claude and Claude Code. Creating an Anthropic account is the first step towards using Claude AI for coding assistance, AI workflows, automation, and advanced development tasks. Alright, now let me show you how to create an account step by step. Let me switch to the web browser and then I'm going to navigate to the official website of the Claude, that is claude.ai. Let me click on enter. Once the website opens, if you are a new user, you can create your account by using continue with Google or sign up using your email addresses. Now I'm going to choose one of the options for my convenience. I'm going to select continue with Google to create an account in Anthropic. I'm going to click on continue with Google and there I'm going to choose my account. I'm going to use my Gmail account and then I'm going to click on enter to sign in into my Claude. Let me click on continue. After submitting the information, Anthropic may send a verification email or OTP for the account information. You have to complete the verification process to activate your account. Once your account is created successfully, you can log in into the Claude platform. After logging in, you can see the Claude interface where you can start interacting with the AI assistant. You can ask questions, you can generate code, create content, analyze documents, and explore AI workflows. Alright, now let us discuss about the subscription for the Claude. Anthropic provides different access plans depending on the usage requirements. Some advanced features, including higher usage limits and Claude Code capabilities, may require Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise subscription. How can we go ahead and we can upgrade our plan? To upgrade our plan, we are going to navigate to the account settings. There you can see on the left hand side bottom, there you can find the accounts, right? Let me click on the profile and there you can see upgrade plan. Or you will find account settings or you can choose the plan over here directly to get your requirement. Now I'm going to select upgrade your plan. There you can see we are using free subscription right now. And if you want to upgrade for the Pro, which is for using for the research, code and organization, then I'm going to use Pro. If you are using higher limits or priority access, then you are going to use Max subscription. Along with that, there you can see I'm having Team and Enterprise. There I'm having Team subscription for the people 5 to 150 users. And the standard seat is $20 per month. And the premium seat is $100 per month. If you go for the Enterprise, where you can use for 20 plus users, which is flexible for pooled usage, which is having seat price plus usage at API rates. And if you see the features for the team perspective, you can use 200K context windows and there you can use credits available for the API rates. You can use Claude Code, you can use co-work and centralized building and administration, and you can find single sign-on and domain capture. Along with that, you will find different features with team, whereas in the enterprise, you will go for pay-as-you-go pricing with pooled usage across your organization. And you have 500K context window. And you will get role-based access with fine-grained permissions. And you will get many more features over there. Alright, now we will understand about the Anthropic console. For the developers who want API access, Anthropic also provides a developer console. How can we go ahead and we can get the access for the console? Let me click on the new tab and there I'm going to provide the URL, that is console.anthropic.com. Let me click on enter. Now I'm going to log in into this Cloud console by using my continue with Google, which we have signed up in our previous Claude, right? I'm going to click on continue with Google and there I'm going to use my credentials. And then I'm going to click on continue to signing into the Claude console. Let me click on continue. Now, how will you use this Claude API? This is for the individual purpose for building an experiment on your own, managing your own API keys and building, or you are using for organization. Right now I'm going to use it for individual. Let me click on individual and it will ask to add the credits to start our building. Right now I'm not going to provide any kind of credits over there. I'm just going to skip for now. Once you have signed up successfully into the Cloud console, developers can generate APIs, they can monitor the usage and they can manage the billing, and also they can access developer documentation and integrate Claude into the applications. API keys are very important when connecting Claude with external tools, IDEs, automation systems, or enterprise workflows. Now, let us talk about the security best practices. When working with AI platforms, we never share API keys publicly and will store the credentials securely. And also we'll use the environment variables whenever it is possible. And also we'll enable security authentication methods and we'll follow organizational security policies. Alright. Another important recommendation is to explore official documentation. Let me click on the new tab and there I'm going for the URL, that is docs.anthropic.com. Anthropics provide detailed setup guides, developer references and integration example through their documentation portal, that is docs.claude.com. Once your account is ready, you can start exploring Claude AI conversations, Claude code workflows, AI assisted development, prompt engineering, context engineering, MCP, that is Model Context Protocol integrations, agentic AI systems. This account will become your gateway into the modern AI powered software engineering. Alright, I hope you understand how to create an Anthropic account in simple steps. But it is an important step towards learning and building with advanced AI technologies. After setup, we'll be able to access powerful AI tools that can help to improve productivity, coding efficiency, automation, and enterprise development workflows.